In this video, I will walk you through how to check trading volume on Binance. If you want to understand how active a coin is on Binance, one of the easiest things to check is its trading volume. Volume shows how much of a coin has been bought and sold over a certain period, and it can help you judge how active the market is. To check trading volume on Binance, start by opening the Binance app or website and going to the trading page for the coin pair you want to view, like BTC to USDT or ETH to USDT. Once you're on the trading screen, look at the chart area in the center. Under the main price chart, you'll usually see a series of vertical bars. These are the volume bars. Each bar represents how much of that coin was traded during a specific time period. The amount of time each bar covers depends on the chart time frame you've selected. For example, if your chart is set to 1 hour, each volume bar shows the total trading volume for that 1 hour period. If your chart is set to 1 day, each bar shows the total volume traded during that day. You can change the time frame at the top of the chart to see volume over shorter or longer periods. This helps you understand whether activity is increasing, slowing down, or staying consistent. You may also see the current trading volume listed in the market details section, depending on the Binance layout you're using. This can include the 24-hour volume, which shows the total amount traded over the last 24 hours. Volume is useful because it shows how much market participation there is. A coin with higher volume is usually being traded more actively, while lower volume may mean less activity. On the chart, if you notice a strong price move happening with high volume, that can signal strong market interest. If price moves happen with very low volume, the move may be less convincing. So, to check trading volume on Binance, open a trading pair, look below the price chart for the volume bars, and adjust the time frame to view trading activity over different periods. And that's how to check trading volume on Binance. Once you know where to find it, volume becomes a simple but useful part of reading the market.